y'all, how y'all doing? We got our pretty model back today, my niece, and we're gonna go ahead and do her a little cute, I'm thinking butterfly kind of set. Now last time we did her nails, I think we did a longer pink and green set, but she is younger and she's back in school, so we're gonna do some little short cuties today. Now, I try to kind of speed through prep because it's boring. It's the same thing over and over I do in every video. But it's very important that you don't skip prep and that you do it correctly. Because if you don't do it right, your nails will pop off. And we want them to stay on there. We don't want to do all this hard work for no reason. Now we're just going to push the cuticles back and scrape off some. I just push and scrape. Now with my drill on low and whatever little bit this is that I always use that I love, I gently go around her cuticle. Now she's young, so she has good nail health and we want to keep it that way. So low and gentle. And after I go around the cuticle, I just go over the whole nail, removing any shine from it. Now we already got her nails sized out. We're going to be using Eternal Beige by Nail Couture today. These did not come pre-etched, so I'm just going to go ahead and etch the inside, only where the extension will be touching the natural nail. And now we're ready for prep and prime. So I'm going to go ahead and use rubber base coat to apply her nails today. I'm going to put some on the extension and then put some on her natural nail, and you kind of got to balance it out because you don't want a lot oozing out when you go to apply it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put that right into place. Perfect, making sure the nails are straight. And she's gonna go ahead with her other hand and help me flash cure this for 15 seconds just to get it to stick on there. After we're done applying all of her nails, we throw it in the big oven and let it cook for 60 seconds. And look at this color on her skin, gorgeous. But she's in school, so we gotta cut them on down and give her some little shorties. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut them, because why not, they're right here. Now we're gonna take our drill, go around the cuticle and get anything that may have oozed off out of there. And we're also going around the nail bed, thinning out the extension, making it look a little more natural, right? So we didn't have a design in mind when we started, so she's just looking through my nail art book and picking out some things that she'll like. If you want to see how I made my nail art book, there's a video for that. I'll link it somewhere, wherever you link stuff. So these are the stickers that we chose. We're not going to use all of them, it's just inspiration. So we chose some stickers and a couple of charms to work with, and then we're just going to do the thing with that. So I have this light lavender color. We're going to go ahead and start our French with that. I just covered up with pretty nails. They were so pretty on her skin, but anyways. Go ahead and fill in that French. Such a pretty girly color. And this one, I think we're gonna do the full nail in lavender. It takes me so long to do the first hand because I don't exactly know what I'm doing yet. But the second hand, I breezed through that one so quick, but I never filmed that one. And I got this super sparkly, silvery color I'm just gonna put there. Look at that brush, my brush dead and gone. Add a sticker that kind of matches the nail. We're gonna be using a lot of stickers and charms today, baby. Don't be afraid to use stickers and charms. Everything ain't gotta be hand drawn and all that shit. Stickers and charms will get you where you need to go. I'm gonna take the same silvery color and just do this entire nail, because I believe I'm gonna put all charms on this one. So anywhere where there's not a charm, it'll look like it's, you know, it'll still be shiny underneath. So it'll look like it's full of charms. You know what I'm saying? And let's finish with some stickers so I can get all the colors that I'm gonna use. So I'll put that sticker there. And I realize I'm doing this backwards. It should be facing me, but you know what? She ain't gonna notice. All right, I want to get to these charms. Let's start off here. Take a little glue, put that on there. And I'm just gonna do section by section, just little by little, putting on the glue and putting on the charm. I'm having a hard time getting this charm where it needs to be. Jesus Christ. All right, that's good enough. Okay, hurry up until I secure that. And we'll put a little flower there. So we'll have some butterflies and flowers. And then I'm just trying to fill every bit of little space up. With any charms that I got that match the colors and the stickers that I put on there. Some pearls, charms, just keep going section by section. And see, by putting down that silver, any little spots that I missed, you can't really tell because it's still, you know, shiny. And I'll let you watch me work this a little bit. Now to the next one, let's throw a cuticle bar here. And then this big old joint here that's so pretty and shiny. And I'm taking some Queen Gel by Nail Couture. It's just a hard gel that you can wipe on. Put that on down, make sure those stickers don't go anywhere. And then I'm gonna just place some stones like going in between the butterflies. And take some caviar beads. Yeah, that's it, it's missing. Get some caviar beads to place in between the stones. I'm gonna struggle getting them there, but I'm gonna get them there. My eyesight ain't that great, so doing these little rhinestones and stuff gets a little difficult, but we get her done. All right, and for the thumb, I got these little butterfly glitter things. Ain't that so cute? So I'm gonna just put some of those down on the French with some stones. Same for the stones I used. Put some cuticle oil on there. And we are done. Look at those. Those are so extra. Oh my goodness, she was in love. She was in love. I love them too. I think these might be my first time doing short nails. I can't remember ever doing short nails. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. And there's our picture outside. Oh, how they glisten outside. So if you like this video, if you're still here, please like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have the most wonderful day. Bye.